Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by locating where the animation lives so you can remove it cleanly. Open the Animations tab, then open the Animation pane on the right. This lists every effect on the current slide. Click the object or text you plan to edit so the pane highlights its entry. Once done, note whether the effect is an entrance, exit, or motion path, because removal is the same but you need to confirm no dependent timings or triggers remain. Now focus on removing the chosen animation entries. Click the exact entry in the animation pane and press delete or choose remove from the ribbon. This deletes just that effect. If you want to clear everything on a slide, use clear all animations to speed things up. Make sure to inspect the object afterward for any lingering trigger icons or timing values. If present, reset timing to default so the object behaves normally during your slideshow. Finish by previewing the slide in Slide Show mode to confirm animations are gone. If something still moves, check the Slide Master and any grouped objects because animations can be applied at those levels. Ungroup to remove hidden effects. Make sure to save the modified file after confirming. If removal caused layout shift or unexpected behavior, reopen your backup and repeat the targeted removal steps, being careful to delete only the specific entries, rather than clearing global settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.